Hello students, good evening to all of you. Today we will study the solution of this question paper which was asked in the 2024. This is the set number 2. So you can read the instruction what are given in the original question paper. This is the board paper of chemistry theory 2024. So let's start the solution. These are the journal instructions given. Journal instruction, you can read the following instruction carefully and follow them. So these are given, how many sections are given and how many marks every question contain. Everything is given in this journal instructions. Okay. Last instruction, use of calculator is not allowed. So here I am going to start the solution of section A. So section A contains, it is written section A contains 1 to 16 question multiple choice type. Each question carries 1 marks. So let's start the discussion with solution section A. Okay. Section A contains 16 question and first question is molar ionic conductivities of Mg2 plus and SO4 2 minus are 106.0 Simon centimeter square per mole and 160.0 Simon centimeter square per mole respectively. The value of limiting molar conductivity of MgSO4 will be. So answer will be A. Let's see how it will be the answer. Here you have to find out the limiting molar conductivity or molar conductivity at infinite dilution of MgSO4. So as we know that MgSO4 will dissociate into Mg2 plus ion plus SO4 2 minus ion. So here it will be equal to the limiting molar conductivity at infinite dilution or simply limiting molar conductivity of MgSO4 equal to the limiting molar conductivity of Mg2 plus limiting molar conductivity of SO4 2 minus. So it can be also written like this: limiting molar conductivity of MgSO4 equal to the sum of limiting molar conductivity of Mg2 plus ions plus sum of limiting molar conductivity of SO4 2 minus ion. So here in the question it is given limiting molar conductivity of Mg2 plus ion, it is given 106.0 Simon centimeter square per mole, and limiting molar conductivity of sulfate ion is also given, that is the 160.0 Simon centimeter square per mole. So after adding you will get, that is the 266 Simon centimeter square per mole. So this is the answer. Hope you got the concept.